Hello and welcome to my car factory. This is the founder of our company. These are our dogs. They are so cute. This is the security guard. This is our car sales area. Hey, what are you looking? This is our employee. He is a very good person. I guess things are going well. What the heck is this? What are all these? We'll talk about later. Anyways, let's go to our factory. This is our other guards. And this is our cars. Thank you for coming.
Goodbye, and please like, subscribe, and comment.